Yeah, we're gonna, tour. Wait lang, oh. So, mamamasyal kami ngayon and we're gonna celebrate Tito Dylan's birthday. Bibili lang kami ng buffet lunch for today. And pasyal-pasyal lang kami. Yan. Kami-kami lang. So, sana mawala na yung sakit ng ulo ko. Migraine ako kanina. Wanna see the pen? Sarap. Pinamassage niya ako. Migraine ako kanina. Nakailang gamot na ako. So, hirap ng may ganito ang condition. Yan. This is their last week of vacation. So, nung sister ko, tsaka ni Dylan, so, sakto birthday niya, celebrate namin. And then, next, sa susunod, sa makalawa, balik na sila, fly back na sila sa Brisbane. Naligaw yata kami. Hindi namin makita yung kinainan namin dati. Last time kasi sa Tongyang kami nagkumain nung birthday ko. Ngayon sa Daali. Sa Daali daw kami kakain para mag-celebrate ng birthday ni Tito Dylan. So, nakalimutan namin paano kami pumunta doon. Nag-deposit lang ako ng cash. Pero wala akong dalang cash. Okay, wait natin yung ATM ko. Take your card and proceed. Okay. Nahanap namin ngayon yung Vikings. The Alley by Vikings. Kami kakain. So, how are you, sis?
Sabihin ko dyan. Ano sabihin ko? Wala.
Ikaw, wala ka. How's your Philippine vacation?
Okay naman. So
You're
far,
happy?
so good. Hindi pa ganun kainit.
Yes. Gagaling lang nilang El Nido last week. So, super ganda ng photos nila. Sa?
Pet store.
Saan?
Pet store.
Magpe-pet store tayo. Later, after we eat. Sige na.
Taiwan!
Naku. Ha? Okay, so mali ba tayo? Ano si Dylan?
Umihi daw.
Umihi.
Okay lang yan, mahahanap niya yan.
Okay. Dito tayo tumawid kanina.
Oo nga. So,
So tama, dito tayo.
building A. Akala ko ba building B daw?
Love, hindi, nasa building B tayo. So papunta tayong building A. Ay, building A yan eh. Ito building B. Ay, okay. Okay. So,
Hindi ko nakahanap.
medyo, may toilet doon sa kaya pa ba niya?
Maiihi na daw siya.
Ihin.
Near. Doon sa nilakarap na kanina eh.
Shaky. KFC?
Anong tawag doon yung ganun?
Stage? Ito?
Hindi, yung pinipindot natin kanina.
The directory. Yan. Dalawang sari doon na ako. Pero hindi naman siya magkasunod na inom, no? May 4-hour interval naman. Interval?
Balik sa sakit ng ulo mo.
Oo, minamigraine kasi ako kanina pagkagising. Tapos parang may pressure point lang ako dito, pinipindot ko kanina pa. So, sana mawala na. Sayang naman kasi pag yung pasyal, di ba? Pagka minamigraine ka. So, look at the kids. Happy sila doon sa automatic door. Oops. Did you try the automatic door? Okay. by Vikings. Wow. So nice. Ayan, so hindi kami nakaano sa Vikings kasi may cut-off pala hanggang 2:30. So dito na lang kami sa Tongyang. Yay!
We're
Saya.
gonna go to
Okay.
the corner so we can buy some Coke.
Sure.
Can I get some glass of water?
Ayan, dito na lang kami.
Yes, it's unlimited. Whatever you
Yeah.
see.
You mean there? You mean there?
Yeah, good.
These on?
I don't know.
You
have to press.
They will assist us later.
Like a food.
They will assist us later.
Like a food.
Hindi pa. Ayan, kukuha sila. Oo, yan. Kukuha na lang sila dyan. Meron naman. Sige na, okay lang yan. Kumuha na kayo. Kami na bahala.
Oh, you want a glass of Coke?
Oh, your food. Thank you. Ayun. Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Halika! Ayun sila! Ah, there. Kid! Hey, Tasha! Oh, let's follow them. Oh. Let's try later. Ayan, babasa sila.
I have an idea.
Ako yung may pagkain. Lalaki pa lang ito sa Sanjo.
Laki naman ng time zone.
Ha?
Ang laki ng time zone.
Oo nga eh. Laki nga. Wow! Wow! Nasaan? Mamaya na. Halika, hanap tayo. O, ano gusto mo? Sige.
Jay, wait! Wait lang.
Opo, taga-Olars din.
Give it to ang... Ano number ka?
Is it possible? When you try and follow it, you chose case number 12. When it makes it right follow it.
This five. Oh!
Ano yung kanina?
Ay,
Wala.
mataas pala yun.
Oo nga. Ano yung kanina? Nakuha natin?
Wala. Pinili mo yun eh. Number 12 yung ano. Uy!
Ay,
Hindi na lang 3.
okay.
6.
Oh! Oh!
Wala lang. Isang case na yan. Huwag ka mag-disney na pa.
Oo.
Right?
Yay.
Baka mag-deal ka. Oh dear.
Taas pala yun. Ah, puro mabababa. Alam mo,
Baka ako kanina pa eh.
pwede ka na mag-aro.
You want to know. That's me. You're doing great. No deal. Now, cases.
Wait lang. Tingnan mo. Ano pinindot mo?
14. O, ikaw na. 11, 16 na lang.
Ama.
Do you want them all the way out? That's good. Now, let's open your case.
Six tickets! Okay! Ito na sila. Ano yung uniform niyo? Parang honors.
Ito pala yun. Pabilib lang pala yun.
Uy, may ganun. Oo. Gusto niyo? Kaya nga. You want bump car, She?
Ang lipid yan. Sige, saan tayo mag-ikutan?
Parang masaya lang.
Okay, one more.
Play with Tasha. Play with Tasha.
I tried that already.
Tasha winning.
Oh, winning. Ano ba yan, Jay? Ba't binangga mo yung bus? You're the red one. Why are you not going to your lane? Bad trip siya. How many?
How many?
How many? Ilan? 700. Oh. Eh. Oo.
I found a haunted house.
You are haunted house. Okay. Ah! Go, Tasha! Ayan, oh, wow. 10 tickets. Ah, 3D. Ah, natakot.
Hindi, gusto ko.
Oh, ayan na.
And my glasses.
Glasses? I don't know, anak. Where's...
3D, but it's like horror.
Yeah, it's horror. Good luck, kids. Ah, there's the glasses.
There's another VR one.
Meron, doon na lang sa kabila. Alika, let's go there. Ayun oh, King Kong.
Oh, everything wrong.
Gusto mo i-try to? Paano ba itong talon-talon na to? Sige, sige, try natin. Tatayo ko lang. Ano yun? Parang may bowling. Galing ah.
Local bowling.
Ano? I don't know this.
Ganun lang yan, yung ganun.
Ah. Massage. Massage chair. Gago. Ay, may party pala. Pwede pala mag-party dito.
Mga malalaking time zone pwede.
Oh, that's nice. Kuya will like it.
Ilan? You can also load here.
Kailangan nyo?
500.
Ako na siya. Kailangan nyo? Mag-ano na kami naman.
Okay lang. Mamaya ulit, kung gusto pa nila. Yeah, you can play pool kasi as well, no?
Ah, okay.
500 yan.
Pwede ba card sa kanila? Wait lang, anak ko yun.
Ayan na. Ayan, umiilaw oh.
Nag-iimbento ka lang eh.
DJ.
Follow the arrow.
Oh, ayan.
Oh. Yan. Ay, tapos na. Wala.
Yes.
Walang tinama. Paikot lang pala siya. Okay. Ano nakita mo?
I saw something white. I found something.
What did you see?
I
Wala.
found a white sky and I saw something. Somewhere. What?
I'll try.
I told you there's something white.
Can you hold the camera for me?
Ano?
White lang naman eh.
Ano?
White lang.
I told you.
White lang naman eh. There's nothing pa.
Want to try this one?
Oo, sabi ko nga tayo na mag-load eh. Pwede pala mag-party dito, love eh. Oh. Tapos mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Ganda, sa mga malalaking time zone, pwede pala mag-party. Ayan, oh. Saya. Time to party! Yes! You're gonna... Oh, you're gonna choose! What do you want? Roller
Dinosaur,
coaster?
I think the dinosaur.
The dinosaur?
Oh, but wait, try nga.
Ah! What is that? No, the ano? Yeah, 891 shows.
Twice, sir, twice.
Ah, twice?
Wait lang, sir, wait lang.
Ayan, ayan, it's okay. We're gonna watch Tyrannosaurus Kingdom. At dito may kita natin kung ano yung nakikita nila.
You see what I see. There's the video. Let me see the
Let's see their reactions. Parang roller coaster yata siya, no? Or their, I don't know.
Mamaya may makahabol sa kanilang dinosaur, baka gano'n.
Ah, oh, don't remove the ano VR ah.
Hindi pa rin ako
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sir, ready?
Ayan.
I have to hold it.
Whoa, where am I? I'm trying to move. Whoa.
You know,
Nagulat. No, it's fine.
Look at the back, Tasha. Look at the back.
Look at the back.
No, don't look at
Ay, lusukan eh.
Oh, nakawali.
Oh boy, highway. I'm not ready.
I'm not ready.
You, Tasha, look around you. Oo nga. Other side. Oh, wala. Oh, sige. What's happening?
Oh, what way? It looks like a massive animal. Wow!
I'm not scared. Mama's here. Mama's here. Oh, relax na, relax.
Oh, right there!
Oh my God. Hindi na ganap. Natatakot si Tasha. Oh no my God. Oh my God. Run, run.
Wow, that's a dark claw. Get me out of there! Get me out of there!
Ano ba yung mga anak ko?
You must kill me!
Oh! You're done! Finish na!
Oh my god. That was super scary.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy? You love it! That's nice! Gusto mo? Nag-enjoy siya. Tuwan-tuwa ang bata.
Sabi niya mag-video ko daw tayong dalawa. Kasi ayan, meron siya nakita ko.
Gusto ko to SpongeBob eh.
Dylan,
Antayin, hayaan mo na. Mamaya na.
gusto ko nga yun eh, yung gano'n.
Yung gano'n. Ang babaw lang ng ano ko eh. Gusto ko eh. SpongeBob lang ako. Si Shella gusto yon. Ako SpongeBob lang.
Let me try.
Gusto ang babaw lang ang gusto ko. Gusto ko yung SpongeBob, Krabby Patty na game. Diba? Ito lang siya. Ayan, yan lang yung gusto ko. Teka lang.
Now you're cooking.
Nakakangalay ah.
Fantastic game. Game over.
Oh, talaga? Oh, 500 tayo. Pero wala akong ticket. Yeah, so yun, nagawa ko na yung gusto kong gawin kanina pa.
Kuya, Tasha.
Wow! Lapit na!
Last time.
Ay, sorry. Wow! Konti na lang!
Oh, you still got a big score.
Yes.
You get 1 to 10,000.
I did 1 more thousand.
Can we try again?
Yes.
How many tickets?
Saan ba? Hindi ko, I don't know where to see the tickets eh.
What's that?
Tickets. I don't know how much tickets
Oh,
you
it
have.
shows on here when you finish.
Kaya lagay ko dyan. Wow, it's for ano pala. Ay, sige, sige. Ay, kayo!
Oh, Dylan, you play?
You load. Anak, you load. Reload. Okay, very good. It's interactive. Wow. Go to daddy. Yeah, go to daddy.
I want the roller skate.
Yeah, daddy will pay na. Just wait. Ganda dito sa Roller Fever. Ayan. Hindi pa siya nahihirap.
That won't be good.
Wala, papasok ka na ba, love? Go, Tasha!
si TJ, ayaw na niyang mag-skate. Binibila ko siya ng tubig. TJ, are you finished?
I have some more left.
Huh?
I'm making them tighter because when it's loose, you pull it.
TJ, oh.
See, I had the top on.
Oh, balik ka na dun. Balik kayo dun. Maglagay kayo ng ano, ng helmet. DJ! DJ! Kailangan!
Kaya baka mag-check lang ka kasi ma-hurt yung head.
Oo, hindi pwede.
You gotta hold it in there and everything. It's good.
Lahat sila naglalaro doon. Okay, can you tell me if you're okay? Come on, this is our vlog. It is your birthday vlog. Ayaw niya talaga.
Yeah, crash. Finished?
Time's up. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, Ella broke her wrist on this.
Huh?
Ella broke her arm doing this.
Oh, really?
This one I reckon saved my arm to save. I feel like I almost broke it.
DJ, take off your stuff. Sit down.
Ay, grabe. Natapos na kami mag-roller skates. First time ko yun, ha? Nakahiya kasi napahiyaw pa ako kanina. Okay, so first time in my life. Take note, first time yun. So happy. So thank you, husband. Thank you, dad, for letting me experience. First time in my life. 35 years old na ako. Ngayon ko lang na-try yun. So, ang saya naman. Di pa ako ganun kaano. Kailangan ko pa ng gabay. Pero feeling ko, pag next time na magaganon ulit, di na ako masyadong takot. Mother care. Wala pang ano, wala pa laman. Mamili na daw ako ng pang maternity, pang mga bata na damit. Wala pang ang pangatlo. So, yun. Gahanap pa kami ng gagawin. So, bahala na. Corsa. Uy, parang alam ko yan. Ay, the kids wanna race daw. Paano yun?
Hindi ata pang kids to.
Kaya nga, paano yun?
Hindi mo pang kids to, di ba?
Hindi siya pang kids.
Abot niya, pwede naman.
Kaso parang mga hindi.
Jay,
Can you try?
TJ na lang will cover my spot. Si TJ na lang. Try it.
Try mo lang kung abot mo.
pwede yun.
Pwedeng automatic.
Automatic na lang para
Automatic
alam
lang
niya.
tayo.
Oh, these ones change that. And it look weird.
Wow.
Oo, yan. Pang F1 kasi ito eh.
Wow. Angas. We're here at Corsa.
Ay, then. How many? Ate, ikaw din?
Hindi na ako. Si TJ na lang. Hindi na ako. Si TJ na lang. Pagod na ako. Si TJ na lang.
No, 4. Si Tasha, hindi niya ata ako.
Sige, kami na lang ni Tasha.
5.
Ayoko. Pagod na
Ayaw mo? O, saan ka?
Ayaw mo? Pagod ka na? Kasi mami na lang dyan.
Sige, ako na lang.
Sit ka muna.